Good evening, y'all. It's Tim Nutt here, and this is homework lesson number 1 for the incredible Pico W series by Paul McWhorter. I'm a little bit late doing my homework. Got a bunch of personal stuff get in the way, and I had to take a break a little bit and take care of some kid problems. But I'm back, and hopefully there's not too much background noise. I'm recording this in the bunk of my semi on a laptop, and apologize for the sub-quality cameras. My wife's actually got one coming for Valentine's Day for me, so I can have a zoom and better quality and focus and all that stuff. But for now, I'm making do with what I got. Anyway, this week's homework for lesson 1, which actually last week's now, but it's still this week's for the purpose of this video, was to make the internal LED blink on the Pico W and see how far we can get it to, or how fast we can get it to blink and still perceive it blinking and not just a dim stretch. So let's get started with the coding and see what we can come up with. First, we got to import a couple libraries, and I'm typing what I'm talking instead of typing what I'm supposed to, but I'm not as good at this as Paul is, but we're doing it anyway. Nope, not from time. Import sleep. I always like to leave spaces. Let's declare our LED equals pin LED, comma, pin .out, all caps. And let's make our while loop to make it blank here. Don't forget your colon. It's tabbed in. That's one way you can remember if you forgot your colon. It'll already tab it in. If you just have it like that and hit enter, it's going to go back to the beginning of the line. So put your colon, hit enter, it already tabs it in for you. So let's turn our LED on first. And we'll make that a 1 for on. And sleep, and we'll start that value. I've already experimented, know where it's going to end up going with it, but for sake of the start of the video, we will just make it half, 0.05 seconds. I'm pretty sure that'll show up on the camera. And then let's turn it off. Value 0. Sleep for, let's do 0.05 again. And we'll hit F5 to run and see if we got anything. And there we go. We got it blinking there. You can see it on that camera. So that blinking. Let's drop the value down a little bit more. Let's go say 0.03. 0.03, hit F5 to run it again. And it still picks it up on that camera, which is good. And I can definitely see it in person. Let's go again. Let's drop it down to 0.02. 2. We'll hit F5. Okay, it doesn't really show up on the camera that I can tell. I can still see it blink. I believe 0.015 I think was the lowest that I could personally see it. Let's try that. Yep, I can distinguish that. It's actually showing a little on the camera too. The frame rate's playing nice with it. And that's as low as I can visually see it blink, and you can see a little blink on the camera. It's only 60 FPS, so it's supposed to be timed right where it can pick up. Because I believe 0.018, it wouldn't pick it up on it. Let's just try it for interesting sake. I don't think it'll show on the camera. It doesn't appear to be. But 0.015 does, though. So we'll leave it at that for the sake of this video. Thank you much, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And I'm definitely looking forward to the rest of these lessons and learning more as we go. Catch y'all on the next one there.